Hey guys, it's your girl here, Satisfaction by Abia. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are a new watcher, I would definitely appreciate that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button, hit that share button, hit that like button. Guys, for those who watched my last video on how to do great labels on a budget, I truly appreciate the support. Only thing I would probably ask is for you guys to please share that video so that it can get out, to other people and so forth. So let's get started with today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I use these 3 items in order to keep my products cool in the summertime. I hope that you guys truly do enjoy this video. So guys, where I pretty much began is cutting my ice packs. Now this ice packs is actually a sheet of 6 small packages or 6 small ice packs, in which honestly you can freeze the whole pack, but I don't necessarily do that. I like to just basically separate what I need in order to package in, whatever items that I need to send out. So what I like to do first is obviously what you see here in this part of the video is cutting out the ice packs. I'm a little bit, I guess you could say, of a perfectionist. So instead of using the scissors, I like to use the cutting board instead, so everything is nice, and neat for the customer. I as well going to be having the links down below of all the supplies that I use here in this video. So what I do next is I fill up my sink in order to place the ice packs. Now, once I place the ice packs into this order, what you're going to notice is that the ice packs are going to inflate. Now, the instructions say that you can leave it in for a couple of minutes. Sometimes I think some people may even leave it in for 10 minutes or even more than that if they want it really inflated. I only left it in there for a couple of minutes, maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. I just kind of like dab the ice pack. You see me flipping the ice pack. It wasn't any no rhyme or reason into it. It was just like waiting for it to inflate so that I could then place it into the freezer. Now that the ice packs are inflated, it's time to put it in the freezer. Now I have a small mini freezer in my room that I use specifically for my products. So in this part of the video, you just basically see me putting the ice packs into the freezer. I had the ice packs in there for about 24 hours. I would suggest if you're looking for a more solid ice pack that you may want to keep them in your freezer for approximately 48 to 72 hours. So next I take the ice packs out of the freezer and I put it onto a towel. Next, I wipe down the ice packs to make sure there isn't any type of icicles or anything like that that will get in the way of me packaging the ice packs inside of their baggies. Next, I'm going to start working with my baggies and open them up so that I could go ahead and insert the ice packs inside of the baggies. Like I said earlier in the video, guys, I'm going to be posting the links down below of all the supplies that I use in this video. Alright guys, now it's time to move on to the packaging process, which is the fun part of the whole ordering process. So guys, pretty much what I start off with is putting an ice pack on the right hand side of the packaging on the bottom, and then I put a body butter on the left. Next, what I did is this particular package consisted of 3 items, so I sandwiched 2 of the items between an ice pack. The reason why I like to do that is to make sure that both items stay cool and it just work really well, you know, with this particular packaging. So there's no particular format that you can necessarily use to package an item. You just have to go with your gut feeling on, you know, how to keep the items cool while in transport. So this is a snapshot of what the package looks like inside. As you can see, there's an ice pack in the center, sandwiched between 2 items, as well, like I said in the video, there's also an ice pack on the right. I did confirm with the customer that the package reached there successfully. There was no issues or anything like that with the packaging, so this definitely worked out very well. Alright guys, I appreciate you checking out this video. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate that you give it a like, that you subscribe, and you hit that notification button. As well guys, do not forget to check out my Etsy shop, Satisfaction by Abia. I'm gonna have the link posted down below. As well, I'm offering 10% off if you purchase $20 or more. That code is also posted down below. So guys, thank you for checking out this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.